Worksoft Certify Online Training. Unlocking efficiency with Worksoft Certify, revolutionizing test automation. Unlocking efficiency with Worksoft Certify, revolutionizing test automation. Worksoft Certify is an advanced test automation solution designed to streamline and accelerate the testing process, particularly for enterprise applications. Here's how it's revolutionizing test automation. 1. No-code, user-friendly interface. Worksoft Certify eliminates the need for extensive coding knowledge by providing a no-code, intuitive interface. This allows business users and functional testers to design and execute tests without the need for programming skills. It empowers teams to create, execute, and maintain automated tests quickly and easily, making test automation more accessible. 2. End-to-end test automation. The platform supports end-to-end test automation, covering everything from functional testing to regression testing. It's capable of testing complex, multi-layered workflows across a range of applications, including ERP systems like SAP and Oracle, CRM applications, and cloud-based solutions. This ensures that businesses can continuously monitor and test their systems, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring smoother releases. 3. Cross-platform testing. Worksoft Certify supports cross-platform testing, ensuring that applications function as expected across different devices, operating systems, and browsers. This cross-compatibility is critical in today's environment where applications are often used on various platforms. 4. Robust integration capabilities. Worksoft Certify can easily integrate with other tools in the software development lifecycle, such as continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines, test management systems, and defect tracking tools. This seamless integration enhances collaboration among teams and streamlines the overall testing and development process. 5. Intelligent test execution and maintenance. The platform utilizes advanced algorithms for intelligent test execution, optimizing test cycles and minimizing redundancy. It also simplifies test maintenance by automatically adjusting tests when application changes are made, reducing the effort required to update test scripts manually. 6. Accelerated test cycles. By automating testing and eliminating manual effort, Worksoft Certify significantly reduces test cycle times. This enables quicker feedback on software quality and faster time to market, which is especially critical for businesses implementing Agile or DevOps practices. 7. Enhanced reporting and analytics. Worksoft Certify provides robust reporting and analytics features, allowing teams to track test execution, identify bottlenecks, and gain insights into the quality of the software. These analytics are invaluable for making data-driven decisions and improving future test cycles. 8. Scalability and flexibility. Whether your organization is testing a small, localized application or a large-scale enterprise system, Worksoft Certify can scale to meet your needs. It's designed to handle complex environments and can support both small and large teams, making it an ideal solution for businesses of any size. 9. Continuous validation and monitoring. With continuous testing integrated into the CI/CD pipeline, Worksoft Certify provides real-time validation of code changes, ensuring that defects are caught early in the development process. This results in a more stable and reliable application, minimizing the risk of costly post-release defects. 10. AI and machine learning integration. Worksoft Certify is also tapping into AI and machine learning to further enhance the efficiency of test automation. The platform can analyze historical test data, predict failure points, and optimize test case execution, enabling teams to focus on more critical test scenarios. Why Worksoft Certify is a game-changer for enterprise testing. Worksoft Certify is considered a game-changer for enterprise testing due to its unique combination of automation, scalability, and ease of use. Here are some key reasons why it stands out in the field of enterprise test automation. No-code automation. One of the standout features of Worksoft Certify is its no-code, script-free automation approach. This allows business analysts and functional testers who may not have programming skills to create and execute tests without writing code. This significantly reduces the learning curve and accelerates test creation. End-to-end automation. Worksoft Certify is designed to handle complex, end-to-end testing scenarios across multiple systems and technologies. It is particularly useful in environments where there are complex, integrated applications, example, ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, Salesforce. It can automate testing for various user workflows, from front-end user interfaces to back-end systems. Cross-platform support. Certify supports a wide range of technologies, including desktop, web, mobile, and legacy applications, making it a versatile solution for enterprises with diverse IT landscapes. It can test across various platforms and devices, ensuring that applications work seamlessly in different environments. Seamless integration with enterprise systems. The platform integrates easily with other enterprise tools such as CI/CD pipelines, version control systems, and test management tools. It helps streamline test execution within an agile development cycle, supporting DevOps practices and continuous integration. Scalability and performance. Worksoft Certify is highly scalable, enabling organizations to scale their test automation efforts across large and complex environments. It can handle large datasets and complex workflows, making it suitable for enterprises with significant testing needs. Smart automation features. The platform incorporates AI-driven capabilities to enhance test automation, such as dynamic object recognition, smart navigation, and automatic test data generation. These features reduce the need for manual test adjustments as applications change. Maintenance-free test automation. Unlike traditional automation tools that require regular script maintenance due to UI changes, Worksoft Certify automatically adapts to application changes with minimal intervention. This reduces the time and effort needed for test maintenance. Collaboration and reporting. Certify offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities, providing real-time insights into test results and performance. Test teams and stakeholders can easily access dashboards, facilitating better collaboration and decision-making. Focus on business outcomes. Worksoft Certify emphasizes business-driven testing, ensuring that automation aligns with business goals and key performance indicators. By validating the core business processes, It ensures that testing efforts are aligned with organizational priorities. Improved test coverage and accuracy. Automated testing with Certify reduces human error, ensuring more consistent and accurate test results. Additionally, it enables comprehensive test coverage, which may be difficult to achieve with manual testing alone. Mastering end-to-end testing with WorkSoft Certify, a complete guide. Mastering end-to-end testing with WorkSoft Certify, a complete guide. WorkSoft Certify is a powerful automation testing tool designed for enterprises looking to streamline end-to-end testing of business processes, particularly in large, complex environments. It provides an integrated platform for testing across applications, databases, and networks, enabling teams to ensure system functionality and performance without manual intervention. Here's a comprehensive guide to mastering end-to-end testing with WorkSoft Certify. 1. Understanding WorkSoft Certify. WorkSoft Certify is an automated testing solution for validating business processes. It allows teams to test web, desktop, and mobile applications in various environments. It is known for its robust ability to test enterprise applications such as SAP, Oracle, and other ERP systems, making it ideal for large organizations. 2. Setting up WorkSoft Certify. Before starting with test automation, you need to set up WorkSoft Certify in your environment. This includes installation. WorkSoft Certify can be installed on your local system or server, depending on the deployment strategy. System configuration. Configure WorkSoft Certify with the applications and systems you want to test. This might involve setting up integrations with ERP systems like SAP or other web and mobile applications. 3. Creating test cases. Test cases are the heart of end-to-end testing. In WorkSoft Certify, test cases are created using the following steps. Recording a test case. Use WorkSoft Certify's recording feature to automate the testing of a business process. The tool can record the interaction with the application and translate it into a test case. Creating test case steps. You can edit and enhance recorded test cases by adding or modifying test steps to align with your test scenarios. Parameterization. Input data can be parameterized so that the same test case can be executed with different values, enabling efficient testing across different data sets. 4. End-to-end test process. The core of WorkSoft Certify's functionality is its ability to test business processes from end to end. Here's how you can use the tool to perform end-to-end tests. Scenario definition. Define the business scenarios you want to test. For example, if you are testing an order-to-cash process, this would include creating an order, shipping it, and processing payment. Automated execution. WorkSoft Certify supports automated execution of test cases across multiple systems, ensuring each step in the business process is validated. Cross-application testing. WorkSoft Certify can integrate with different applications such as SAP, Salesforce, Oracle, and others. You can automate tests that span across these platforms, ensuring the integration points work seamlessly. 5. Managing test environments. WorkSoft Certify allows you to manage multiple environments, example, development, test, production. Some key strategies for environment management include Environment configuration. Configure different environments for executing tests, ensuring consistency between them. Test data management. Worksoft Certify provides tools for managing test data, including creating and maintaining test data sets, which are critical for end-to-end testing. Boosting productivity. How Worksoft Certify streamlines QA processes. Worksoft Certify is a test automation platform designed to streamline and enhance quality assurance (QA) processes, particularly for enterprises with complex systems and applications. It offers several key features that boost productivity in QA workflows. 1. No-code test automation. Worksoft Certify provides a no-code, user-friendly interface that allows business users, even without programming knowledge, to create and maintain automated tests. This drastically reduces the time and cost required for test creation and maintenance. The visual approach enables teams to quickly adapt and modify tests as requirements evolve. 2. End-to-end testing. Worksoft Certify is capable of conducting end-to-end testing across a variety of business applications, including ERP systems like SAP, web applications, and cloud-based platforms. This broad compatibility ensures that all critical business processes are tested from start to finish, reducing manual testing efforts and improving overall accuracy. 3. Cross-platform testing. The platform supports testing across multiple devices, browsers, and environments, which is essential for ensuring that applications function seamlessly across different platforms. This eliminates the need for multiple testing tools, consolidating testing into a single platform and streamlining QA efforts. 4. Continuous integration. Continuous testing, CI/CD. Worksoft Certify integrates well with popular CI/CD tools like Jenkins, allowing teams to automate the execution of tests during the build process. This continuous testing approach helps detect issues early, reducing the time spent on bug fixing and improving software quality throughout the development life cycle. 5. Smart automation. The platform leverages AI-powered capabilities to identify repetitive tasks and automatically suggest automation solutions. This smart approach helps to eliminate manual testing bottlenecks and focus on more strategic testing activities, accelerating the QA process. 6. Real-time reporting and analytics. Worksoft Certify offers comprehensive dashboards that provide real-time insights into the status of test executions. With detailed analytics, teams can track test progress, identify patterns in test results, and make data-driven decisions to improve the testing process and software quality. 7. Seamless integration. The platform integrates with various tools and systems such as version control systems, defect tracking tools, and test management systems, enabling a seamless flow of information across the development and testing pipeline. This integration enhances communication between teams, reducing delays and ensuring smooth coordination. 8. Business process validation. By focusing on validating business processes rather than individual components, Worksoft Certify ensures that the application meets the real-world requirements of the business. This high-level validation helps in reducing the risk of defects reaching production and ensures that critical business processes function as expected. Exploring the power of Worksoft Certify, advanced features for seamless automation. Worksoft Certify is a leading test automation platform designed to help organizations achieve efficient and seamless automation across a wide range of business processes. It supports end-to-end testing and ensures that applications and systems function as expected, while also minimizing manual effort and time. Here's a look at the advanced features of Worksoft Certify that enhance its power for automation. 1. No-code test automation. Ease of use. One of the standout features of Worksoft Certify is its no-code approach to test automation. Users can create automated tests without needing deep programming knowledge. The visual interface enables test creation with drag-and-drop capabilities, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. 2. End-to-end business process automation. Cross-system testing. Worksoft Certify supports testing across complex business processes that span multiple applications. It enables end-to-end process automation by integrating with a wide range of enterprise systems, including SAP, Oracle, Salesforce, and other custom applications. Comprehensive process coverage. Certify can automate workflows from beginning to end, ensuring that all components of a business process are validated in one seamless test. 3. Advanced analytics and reporting. Actionable insights. The platform provides robust analytics and detailed reporting features. These reports help teams identify bottlenecks, understand the test coverage, and track results for improved decision-making. Real-time monitoring. Users can monitor tests in real time, receive notifications on any issues or failures, and make adjustments on the fly. 4. Parallel test execution. Efficiency and speed. Worksoft Certify allows parallel test execution across multiple systems and environments, drastically reducing the time required for testing. This is especially beneficial for large enterprises with complex application landscapes. Scalability. The ability to run tests in parallel allows the platform to scale according to testing needs, accommodating large test suites and ensuring rapid test cycles. 5. AI and machine learning integration. Intelligent automation. Worksoft Certify leverages AI and machine learning to improve automation efficiency. It can predict potential failures, automatically adapt to changes in the application, and identify patterns that can help optimize test cases. Self-healing tests. Through AI capabilities, Certify can automatically adjust to changes in the UI or other application modifications, reducing the need for manual test maintenance. 6. Cloud-based execution. Cloud flexibility. Worksoft Certify supports cloud-based testing, which enables teams to run tests in scalable, flexible environments. This also supports remote and distributed teams, allowing them to run tests from anywhere without needing physical infrastructure. 7. Integration with CI/CD pipelines. Continuous testing. Certify integrates seamlessly into CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, pipelines, allowing for automated testing to be part of the DevOps workflow. This ensures that tests are executed automatically every time code changes are pushed, maintaining high code quality. Version control integration. Integration with tools like GitHub, GitLab, and others ensures that automation tests remain synchronized with development cycles. Transform your testing workflow with Worksoft Certify, Tips and best practices. Transforming your testing workflow with Worksoft Certify can help improve efficiency, consistency, and automation in your enterprise applications. Worksoft Certify is an automated testing tool designed for business applications and systems, particularly for complex enterprise environments like SAP. Below are some tips and best practices to help you optimize your testing workflow with Worksoft Certify. 1. Leverage the record and play functionality. Tip: use Worksoft Certify's intuitive record and play feature to automate test scripts quickly. This is particularly helpful for repetitive tasks or regression testing. Best practice: after recording the test, review the script to ensure that it's streamlined and efficient. Edit the steps to optimize them, eliminating unnecessary actions and improving the overall test runtime. 2. Use reusable test components. Tip: Worksoft Certify supports reusable test components. By creating a library of reusable components, such as login modules or common transaction steps, you can save time and effort in future testing cycles. Best practice: organize reusable components in a central library and ensure that the test scripts are modular. This helps maintain consistency across test cases and simplifies future maintenance. 3. Prioritize test automation coverage. Tip: focus on automating high-risk and frequently used business processes to maximize the value of automation. This includes critical paths that impact business operations. Best practice: develop a test automation matrix to ensure comprehensive coverage of your application's most crucial processes. Prioritize testing based on business criticality and risk. 4. Integrate with CI/CD pipelines. Tip: integrate Worksoft Certify with your continuous integration continuous deployment CI/CD pipeline for real-time automated testing. Best practice: set up automated testing in your CI/CD pipeline to run tests every time there is a change to the codebase. This ensures that issues are identified early in the development lifecycle and minimizes the risk of defects in production. 5. Implement parallel test execution. Tip: Worksoft Certify allows you to run tests in parallel across multiple environments. This can significantly reduce the time it takes to run test suites. Best practice: take advantage of parallel test execution to accelerate your testing process, especially for large-scale applications. Monitor test results to ensure stability and consistency across different environments. 6. Utilize data-driven testing. Tip: data-driven testing allows you to execute the same test with different input data, ensuring more thorough coverage of your application's functionalities. Best practice: use Worksoft Certify's built-in support for data-driven testing by associating test data with your test scripts. This will help in running tests under varied conditions, ensuring that your application behaves correctly across all possible scenarios. 7. Track test coverage and results. Tip: utilize Worksoft Certify's reporting and analytics capabilities to track your test coverage and outcomes. Best practice: regularly review test results to identify trends, track progress, and pinpoint areas that need attention. Leverage detailed reporting features to communicate testing status to stakeholders. The future of automation Why WorkSoft Certify leads the pack. The future of automation. Why WorkSoft Certify leads the pack. WorkSoft Certify is a leading platform in the field of robotic process automation, RPA, and test automation, particularly for enterprises seeking to streamline their business processes and ensure quality in their software deployments. Here's why WorkSoft Certify is considered a leader in the automation space. 1. No-code automation. WorkSoft Certify offers a no-code solution, making it accessible to non-technical users and enabling business analysts to automate processes without needing deep programming knowledge. This reduces the reliance on specialized IT teams and accelerates time to market for automations. 2. Enterprise-grade scalability. WorkSoft Certify is designed for large enterprises, supporting complex, cross-platform processes across different business applications. Its scalability allows businesses of all sizes to adapt the tool for use across departments, regions, and varied technology environments, enabling global deployment. 3. End-to-end automation. WorkSoft Certify provides end-to-end automation, going beyond just testing to include entire business workflows. This includes the ability to automate functional testing, regression testing, performance testing, and business process monitoring. The platform's ability to test integrated applications, whether on-premises or in the cloud, adds significant value for organizations with complex IT landscapes. 4. Robust integrations. WorkSoft Certify integrates seamlessly with major enterprise applications such as SAP, Oracle, and Salesforce, as well as with other systems through APIs. Its ability to easily integrate with ERP, CRM, and other business applications ensures that automation can span the entire business ecosystem without requiring custom development for each application. 5. Cognitive capabilities. With AI and machine learning-driven insights, WorkSoft Certify enhances its automation features, allowing the platform to continuously learn from new processes and adapt to changes in business environments. This helps ensure that automations remain relevant even as systems evolve over time. 6. Comprehensive analytics and reporting. The platform offers deep analytics that provide actionable insights into the performance of automated processes. These reports help businesses track performance metrics, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions for optimization. 7. Improved collaboration. With its collaborative features, WorkSoft Certify enables business and IT teams to work together in a unified environment. The tool's ability to share automation scripts and processes ensures that both technical and business stakeholders are aligned throughout the automation lifecycle. 8. Reduce time and costs. By automating repetitive tasks, WorkSoft Certify helps businesses cut down on manual effort and associated costs. It also accelerates the testing and deployment cycles, improving the time to market for software releases. 9. Regulatory compliance. For industries like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing that need to adhere to strict regulatory requirements, WorkSoft Certify helps automate compliance processes. It ensures that processes meet the necessary standards while reducing the risk of human error. 10. Future-proofing businesses. As automation and digital transformation continue to grow, Worksoft Certify positions businesses to stay ahead by continuously evolving its features. With a focus on AI, machine learning, and smart automation, it helps companies future-proof their operations against disruptions in the digital landscape. Why choose ProExcellency for Worksoft Certify online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Worksoft Certify online training offers several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs industry experts with deep knowledge of Worksoft Certify, ensuring that learners receive high-quality instruction from experienced professionals. Comprehensive course content. The training is structured to cover all aspects of Worksoft Certify, from basic to advanced concepts, making it suitable for beginners as well as professionals looking to upgrade their skills. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers online training, which allows you to learn at your own pace and from the comfort of your home or office, with recorded sessions available for review. Hands-on practice. ProExcellency usually integrates practical assignments and real-world scenarios into the training, helping learners gain hands-on experience and apply their knowledge effectively. Certification support. They provide guidance on certification exams, helping you prepare for Worksoft Certify certifications with practice materials, mock exams, and tips. Customer support. ProExcellency typically offers dedicated support for students throughout the course, ensuring that any queries or issues are resolved promptly. Cost-effective training. Their training programs are often competitively priced, providing great value for the knowledge and skills gained. Global reach. ProExcellency offers training to a wide range of professionals globally, making it easier for anyone, regardless of location, to access the best training. Thank you.